Hello, hello. How was everybody today? This is the fun tent, right? This is the drinking tent. Yeah. Does everybody got a drink in their hand?
Now, if any of you guys ever saw the movie Big Night?
Yeah.
Big
It's
Night.
a great movie.
Great movie. Stanley Tucci and Tony Shalhoub, the two brothers. You gotta see it. It's one of my
Do you guys like the recipe to this? I would. What kind of flavors would we find, particularly when we
The
taste
sandwich
it?
is going to be a very heavy sanity, lots of sharing, very dry, very robust.
So bulgogi is a recipe that has a ton of ingredients. It takes a long time for the steak to break down in the marinade, but we're gonna do one that you can do at home in 25 minutes. Really fresh. All right, I'll let you guys know. What's your name? This is Beverly, y'all. Give her a hand. All right. You're gonna be my sous chef. Stir that while I finish the apple. Tell them what that smells like. What does that smell like? It smells like heaven. Okay, I'll take that. What do you think? Good? I want to thank you guys for cooking with me today. Did you all have a good time? Thank you very much. We've got some additional tacos left, so I'm happy to share them with you. Y'all have a great Greenville Euphoria. Hey, I'm Chadwick Boyd here in Greenville Euphoria, cooking up my apple and mint Korean barbecue tacos. It's a great day.